Matt here, Home Farm Ideas again, and today I'm going to be planting out my pepper plants, or my red pepper plants, and one banana pepper plant in root pouches. So if you guys want to get one of these root pouches, head over to my Instagram, and I'll put that in the description, and you know, I'll tag them, and then they can talk to you and do whatevers. So I'm going to be planting out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and check out this awesome lighting. So anyways, let's go ahead and get to it. I did want to say something though, with the root pouches. I've actually tested them out on a lot of different things, and they work really good, you guys. They air prune the roots really good. And they add, they're porous, so they add there's a lot of air going through them and stuff, and you can actually use them, rinse them out really good, throw them in the washer, and bam, they're done. Take them out and let them dry in the sun, and you're good. They're also BPA-free plastics, and then they use another material in there to wick water as well. And they are UV resistant. They're not UV totally protectant, but they're UV resistant. So they should last you longer than an actual wood grow bed, actually. So, so anyways, if you guys want them, like I said, Instagram, follow me on there. I'm going to be planting these out now. Nothing real big or anything like that. I do have a little bit of a drip system here, so I'm going to add the water to the tops of these, and it's nice and simple. The soil that's in there is, I made it myself, not literally. Basically my chickens and my rabbits, they pooped and did their thing, and it composted down along with grass, leaves, and that's it basically. So, and then I added some other stuff to it as well. But anyways, so I'm using just my straight soil that I made, and yeah, it's working great. And just so you know it's working great, that is actually a catnip bush, okay? But it's not just any ordinary catnip bush. Let's look what it's actually growing in. And I planted this out a long time ago. Dang it, come on. While I need to show you guys, of course, right? All right, so it's in a root bag, a root pouch. So, yeah, I would say it grows pretty good. I could literally pick that up and move it. There are roots growing into the ground at this point, but I could literally just pick it up and move it, and it'll prune those roots, and no big deal. I definitely need to prune it down, obviously, as you can see, but I'll get to that another time. Let's plant these out. All right, first things first, dig a hole. So, sorry about my shadow. It just follows me everywhere, so... So let's see if I can do this without messing all this up. All right, so we're gonna move our water source out of the way just for a second. This is already really good soil. It's really loose. It likes to party, you know. So we're just gonna move some of it out of the way here. Probably shouldn't have topped them off so high. All right, so basically we just need to make a nice little hole because we want to put these peppers down in there. There are 2 peppers in these plants, on this one in particular, and that's okay. I'm going to put them both in there, and I'm going to see what happens. I probably end up cutting one of them later, but for now, I'm just going to put them in there. I did want to pull off any developed flowers, so ones that are actually already producing like that. I can pull those other ones off as well, but I'm not going to right now on video, but I will do it because I want to make sure that a lot of the growth is going to be going into the plant. Another thing that I mentioned on one of my other videos is that you can cut these lower, but you want to start a little bit sooner than this. So, so we're just going to go ahead and let them rock basically through the summer, so the way they are. But there are ways that you can trim them in order to get more growth out of them. So, nice good root system in these, good soil in them. This one, it looks like it's having a problem already. See that? So we'll see what develops from that. But it looks like it's already having a bit of a problem. These are organic, so we'll see what happens. But basically, you want to go just right up to where that line is right now on the soil. Okay? Just like that. And then basically just backfill around it. I don't have to mulch really because, like I said, this stuff is already got mulch and everything in it. Clay, all that. So, but I might give it a nice little dressing of mulch on the top. So I'm expecting it basically to go down over the season. All right, and then one last thing here. My shadow again. He wants to talk to you guys now. So basically what I have here is I have a mixture of a sort of some aquaponic water because it has nutrients in it that the plants love. It's got a good pH water to get things kicked off. And it's got, I put kelp meal powder in there. Okay, so nice little potassium boost. So I'm going to really wet these down because this soil's not, it's not as wet as I would like it. So, and I'm going to start my system. I'm just wetting the top in really good because I want to get those roots done. But you saw the plant basically when it went in there. The soil in it was already pretty wet, but I just want to wet around it. So, yeah. Stuff likes it on the leaves as well. All right. So we're going to get the other ones planted out, and then I'll show you the finished product here. And then I'll be doing update videos, obviously. So anyways, let's get the other ones done, and I'll show you, hopefully get you some good video of those and this one as well. So, all right, let's do it. All right, there we go. I'm not going to show you the other one because you guys already seen me plant it. And so that was it on that. So, so we'll see how they do in here. As you can see, I got the drip system going, and each one of them has its own little drip. I had an extra little pepper plant, so we'll see if that one does good too, because this is all the same potting soil that I've made for years. So, yeah, hoping to get tons of bell peppers this year because literally, I'm thinking we're going to eat them. We eat a lot of bell peppers and cilantro. So, you know, we have pepper steak, but then we have like peppers and just about everything because it gives it a really good flavor, you know. And then she makes like this green, my wife Rochelle, she makes like this green chili chicken, which is awesome. So anyway, pepper steak is really good though. So yeah, we'll see how this all grows in, you guys. If you guys liked the video, obviously give it a thumbs up, and hit that little bell icon. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the bell icon once you subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, please tap that bell icon, you guys, because then you guys will be getting all my updates. And not only that, you'll also get my community post on our main page for Home Farm Ideas. There is actually a new community tab, which I don't know if any of you are familiar with it yet, but basically I can post photos and stuff there. So anyway, God bless you guys, and like always, yeah, peace. See how this stuff grows in, so check back with me, you guys. Later.